Welcome students. We are discussing the topic be my multiple, I will be your factor. So in the last class we discussed about concept of factors and multiples and also about finding multiples and common multiples of given number. Today we are going to discuss or you will learn about finding factors and common factors of given number. So in the last class we discussed about factors. So what is factors? Factor is a number which divides the given number exactly. That means the number which divides the given number exactly are called factors of that number. For example, you can see here the 12 is a number, and now we have to find out by which number 12 is exactly divided. So you can see 12 into 1 12, then 2 into 6 12, 3 into 4 12. That means all these numbers, that is 1 2 3 4 6 and 12, this number divides the 12 exactly. For example, if you take 12 divided by 2, that means 6 times 6 you get the 12. That means all these numbers are factors of 12. So you can write now factor f is factors of 12 is equal to 1 is a factor, then next number is 2, then 3, 4, 6 and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. You go serially. First you write the 1, then what is the next number? That is a 2, next number is 3, next is 4, like that. So all these are the factors of 12. Because why? Because 12 is exactly divided by this number. That means these are the factors of 12. Then here one more example I have written here, that is a 18. 18 into 1, 18. Then 2 into 9, 18. 3 into 6, 18. So that means 18 is exactly divisible by all these numbers. So factor f means factors of 18 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So this is about finding factors of given number. Here I have given two problems, that is 12 and 18, and in the both solution I have shown you how to find factors of given number. Now let's discuss about finding the common factor. So here in finding common factors, one thing you have to keep in mind, there should be a pair of number, two number, or you can also take the three number. Here I have taken the two pair, that is a 12 and 24 is a one pair, and 18 and 36 is a one pair. So what you have to do? You have to first find the factor of that number. So here 12 I have find the factor, that is 2 into 1, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. So all these are the factors of 12. Then here also I have find out the factors of 24. Then what you have to do? You have to write the factors of 12 and 24 separately. So factors of 12 is equal to, that is a 1, then next is 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So these are the factors of 12. Why? Because 12 is exactly divisible by this number. So then also you write the factors of 24 is equal to, that is a 1, 2, then 3, 4, 6, 8, then 12 and 24. So first you find out the factor, then write the factor of each number separately. Then what is our topic? Finding the common factor. So while finding the common factor, you have to keep in mind that the common factor means it should be in the both number, factors of both number. For example, here 12, you can see here 1 is a factor of 12 and also here 1 is a factor of 24. Then 2 is here and also we got a 2. So It is in the both factor. 2 is a factor of 12 and 2 is also factor of 24. So 2 is the common factors of 12 and 24. Then what is the next? You get the 3. Here also you get the 3. Then 4. Then 4. Then 6. 6. Then here 8 is a factor of 12. But you don't get the 8 as a factor of 12. So here 8 will not be a common factors of 12 and 24. Then what is the next number? It is a 12. Here also we got a 12. So whatever number which I have encircled, all are the common factors of 12 and 24. Then you have to write common factors of 12 and 24 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. One more thing you have to keep in mind, 1 is a factor of all number. So there is no need to write 1 as a common factor. So exactly common factor are 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Okay. So this is about finding the common factor of given number. One more example we will discuss, that is 18 and 36. You can see here 18 into 1 18, 2 into 9 18, 3 into 6 18. So these are the factors of 18. While finding the common factor, you have to find out the factors of that number first. Then 36 into 1 36, 4 into 9 36, 12 into 3 36, 8 into 2 36. So these are the factors of 36 and these are the factors of 18. Then you write separately factors of 18 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. So these are the factors of 18. Then factors of 36 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 12, 18 and 36. So I have written here the factors of 18 are 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Then what is the next step? You have to find out the common factor of 18 and 36. What is the concept of common factor? That means the factors should be the factor of both the given number, that is 18 and 36. So common factors of 18 and 36 is equal to, you can write here we are having 2, then here also 2 is the factor of 36. So 2 is common in both. So 2 is the common factor. Then here we got the 3, here also 3. Then 3 is the next common factor. Then here is a 6, but you don't get the factor 6 as a factor of 36. So you cannot take 6 as a common factor of 18 and 36. Then next is a 9. So here also you got the 9. So 9 is the next common factor. Then 18. So common factors of 18 and 36 are 2, 3, 9 and 18. So today we discussed about finding factors and common factors. So this is about factors and common factors. And here you have a very small exercise to evaluate yourself about the factors and common factors. You can see here, find the common factors and common factors of the following. 9 and 18 is the one pair, 4 and 12, 10 and 20. So you have to solve this on your math notebook. First you find the factors of each separately. You have to find the factor of 9 and 18 like that. And then you have to find the common factor. So I think you have very well understood about the topic, finding factors and common factors. With this I conclude here the topic factors and common factors. If you have any difficulty, then you can call or message. Thank you.